Okay ladies, today I'm going to talk about my booster. Okay, you're supposed to use my booster before your serum. So after cleansing, toner, booster first, followed by your serum and moisturizer. Okay, and then sunscreen for the day. Alright, so what's the benefits, right? Let me talk to you about resveratrol first. So resveratrol is an antioxidant ingredient. Okay, it's anti-aging as well, reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Alright, and it has this it helps to support, right, your skin collagen and elastin. Okay, on top of that, right, it helps to prevent the UV rays from attacking your skin. Okay, that's why resveratrol is required. So if you find that you always have fine lines and wrinkles, even after using your eye cream or even your moisturizer, right, try this one booster to boost your face, as in like giving it more collagen and elastin. Alright, so that you look younger. And basically, resveratrol is always found in peanuts, in eggs, in chocolate and wine as well. So that's why it's a natural ingredient, part of the food. Alright, so if you're interested to know more about the serum, follow me for more. I'll see you soon in my next video. Oh, and then you can order it on my Telegram. Bye!